Yashoda Nandan wants only attention. So much attention. Oh, he loves attention. A great artist. He will not do any performance without audience. Even in Kaliya's pastime, just coiled. Kaliya has wrapped him up. Krishna can dance before, right? But he's telling Kaliya, no, those who are seeing have all fainted. No audience. Let the news spread. Let Vrindavan Brajvasis come. Then we will perform. Lights, camera, action. First house full, then we will perform. So for 6 hours, Krishna is wrapped up in the coils of Kaliya. Kaliya is also holding Krishna. Let's start. It's like, and now when it's packed, house full, lights, camera, action. Dance begins. Same for Govardhan Leela also. Only when Srimati Radharani comes from Barsana, our hero will become strong. Till then, drama. The other gopas are trying with the sticks to help him. He says, please help me. But as soon as the news reaches Barsana Dham and Vrishabhanu Maharaj gets Kirtida Devi and Sridham and Ananga Manjari and our Srimati Radharani, as soon as Srimati Radharani comes, Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma viruddha bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshava. The strength of the strong comes up and he becomes Giridhari Gopal. Audience, attention.